640. Symbol on that train's a SXL 640. That train starts off in Sumter, South Carolina, heads north to Florence, South Carolina, which is where it's at now, heading that far where it terminates. Wait for that axle count.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 295.8. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 236. End of transmission.